started, you want to arrange your threads on the board in your colour sections. So you want one section on the left hand side and one section on the right, and you want your shortest threads in the centre. So you can have as many as you want for your colour sections at either side, but you do want an equal number at this side as you've got at that side. To begin your pattern, you want to start with the colour in the centre. So you want to take the two centre threads and do a forward knot. And then you want to take the two threads at either side, so working over the centre threads each time. You want to do a forward knot on the left, and then a backward knot on the right, and then again in the centre do another forward knot. So once you've worked your centre sections, you want to work in your left hand section and your right hand section. So I'm going to begin with the left, and I'll take the first colour in this section that's next to the centre threads, and I want to do two forward knots. Then I want to take the next colour in this section and again do two forward knots. And then the next colour and then the colour after that, and both of these are again just going to do two forward knots over the centre colour. So once you've done this side, you want to do a mirror image at the other side. So taking the right hand colour, you want to do two backward knots. And then take the next colour from the right hand section and again do two backward knots, and you want to keep repeating this, doing the two backward knots over your central colour until you've switched the position of the colours from the right. So once you've done that, you should have something that looks like this, and normally with a Peruvian wave you would work these colours back, but I'm going to be switching the position of the colours. So I want to lift these and then swap them over, and whichever direction you swap them over, so I'm taking the left hand section over the top of the right hand section, you want to do that every time you switch. So make sure again to keep them in order. And you can work back at either side you want. So I'm going to take the ones that are now on the left hand section and I'm going to do backward knots. So let's do two backward knots here. And then just repeat this for the rest of the colours from this section. So just doing two backward knots until you've switched all the colours. So once you've done the left hand section, you want to do the same thing on the other side, but a mirror image. So taking the colour that's next to the colour that was in the centre, you want to do two forward knots. And then repeat this with the other three colours, doing two forward knots each time until you've switched the colour position. So once you've switched the colour positions, you should have something that looks like this. So it's basically exactly the same as what you started with, but just the colours are at the other side. And you want to do the same thing that you did at the beginning. So take the 2 threads in the centre and do a forward knot. And then the left hand section, do a forward knot. And then a backward knot on the right. And then again a forward knot in the centre. So once you've done that, you can move these into their respective sections if you want, and you want to repeat what you did for your first section where you did your switch over. So obviously the colours have switched position now and you'll be switching them back, but the knotting sequence remains exactly the same. You want to do forward knots with these threads over these two, and backward knots with these threads over these two, switch position, and then return back at this side and this side. So once you've repeated that knotting sequence, you should have your colours back in the original order, and then you can just keep repeating these steps all the way down until the bracelet is as long as you want it. And when you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I've finished with 2 braided tie-on ends, but you could do whichever fastening you prefer. And that is your completed bracelet.